Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to this tutorial. Today we want to work on something. We want to work on the exam sheets, the base 7 exam sheets. And then before that, I want us to do something at the settings. So bring the grid line once again and show the grid line. Okay, now we will list the subject over here. Okay, so subject. So you list the subject that you do. So English language, then mathematics, then you have integrated science, then you have social studies, we have computing, we have RME, we have career technology, we have creative arts, we have Ghanaian language, so what subject is left? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I believe these are the subjects that schools are doing. P is part, but some schools are not doing, so P is not compulsory. So let's format it. Okay, let's merge this place. Go to home. So let's format it. Let's go to our borders and so this is the subject. Format it. Okay, so you can bold them. Okay, so now you can hide your ribbon. You can hide the formulas, the grid lines. Okay, now let's go to the exam sheets. So the exam sheet, this is what you are going to do. You expand the whole of this small, and then you come to the cell, the row, you also expand it. Okay, then here we'll have the serial number. You press on the tab key, you have the admission number. We'll have the learner's name. The tab key, you have the gender, you have the class, you also have number on roll. Okay, you have the number on roll. You press enter key, you have the tab key, you have the attendance. Okay, Now here we have the class score. The class score. It should be the class score. So the class score, okay, then the tab key. We have the exam score again. Then we also have the class score again, but this time it will be 50%. Then you have exam score. This one will be 50%. Then you have the total score, and the total score will be 100%. We'll have the grade. Then we'll have the position. Then we'll have the remark. Now select the whole of this and go to the home tab and come here, wrap test. Okay, wrap test. So now we can expand the whole of this. Okay, let's expand it. Now select the whole of this and format it. It should be in the center. Give it a nice color. Okay. So now let's expand the positions more. Okay. Then the remarks should be a little bit wider. It should be a little bit wider. The name should also be wider. Okay. Now the whole of this, you're going to sell it and give it this color. We know the reason why you're giving this color. Now select from whole of this to here and give it a nice color. So I'll prefer to use this color. Okay. Now from year to year, I'll give it a different color, and I prefer to use this color. Now this is what we intend to do. We want to apply the borders, but not now. We want to work for all. Okay, we want to work for all. Let's work on this place. So from year to year, you merge it. Then you equal to sign, and you go to the settings, and you select the first subject, and you press the enter key. Okay, and you format it, lock it, F4 to lock, press enter. So you put it in the middle, you bold it, you increase the size to be white, you increase the size. So it's 24. It's 24. Now let's come back to the settings. The subject French is inclusive. Okay, French. I didn't add French. So I'll just clean here and write French. So you go to the exam score sheet again. Okay, so you will create some buttons. Okay, so let's go and copy the learner database from the setting sheet. Right click and then copy. Then let's go to the base 7 score sheet. We are going to paste it here. Ctrl V to put it there. So that when you click it, it will send it to the database. Now let's go and go to the settings and copy the view report. So right click and copy and go to the and paste it. I didn't copy it well. So right click, right click, right click, copy, and you go and paste. You can change the color to suit your need. Okay. Okay, well, let's go and create another shape. I don't want the video to be long, so because I don't want to waste a lot of times, I have do this, and I want you to also do this. Go and take the database from the setting sheet and put it here, the same thing view, and you create this thing called export settings. Okay, these are that shape I have used. These are all the shapes. This is one. It's a link that will go to the home sheet. So now we want to work on the formula here. Now we will select it. We are going to work with 200 students. Okay, 200 students. So it will be 202. 202. Okay, so I don't want to. So let me apply a border here to just make my work, to just direct me on what to do. Okay, take your time and do it well. Okay. And this one. Okay. Okay. I'll do it for the whole of the system. I just want to. So here. So let's look at the formula works. Or better still, let's select the whole of here. Let's select it and format it. So as usual. Okay, so now this is what to do. We'll format this one. You make sure you format this one. Okay, so the class score, we'll select the whole of the class score, and we do data validation. So you go to data validation. Then you are going to select decimal. Some students can get the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 50. Okay, and then we'll put this a notice. Please enter values between 0 and 50. Then you click on OK. So here we'll do the same thing here, but here you just edit it to 100. Now do autofill. So check if it's working. It's not working. That's not what we want to achieve. We want this place should take value between 0 and 100. Okay, it is working, but the only thing is that the input message is supposed to be 100. So let's edit it. So we do now do the autofill. I'll pause the video and I'll do this. So you're able to get 50. Now the class score, it will be equal to this one. You press the enter key and then you do data value autofill. That's autofill. Okay, autofill. So Control A and then let's format the thing. So it should be in center. And I want to bold everything. Okay, so the exam score is could be equal to this divided by 2. Okay, enter. So assuming here we have 40, 49, it will appear here 49. Then if here is supposed to be 100, it will be 50. Okay, autofill. Then the total will be equal to this plus this. Give us the, so do autofill. Now the grading you use the VLOOKUP. So let's go to formula and go into insert function and go to VLOOKUP. You can search it over here and it will pop out. Then you click on VLOOKUP. Okay, it's VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value, what are we looking for? The lookup value is the total score. So you select it. The table array. The table array is in the settings. So you go to the settings where we have the grading system. So this is the table array. You select the whole of here. Look at where the grade is. This column 1, column 2, column 3. Now lock the whole of this. That is F4. And then the column index number is 2. This is 1, 2. Because you are looking for grade. You click on So you do autofill. Now let's go for position. For position, I will give you this formula. I will just copy, Control C to copy, and then you paste it here. Okay, then you go to here. Now your lookup value, it will change here. Your lookup value will be this one. Okay, then your table, what you are going to look for, you delete the whole of this, delete it, and you select it from here to the end. So you send it here. Okay, then you select the whole of this, F4, F4 to, then you click on enter. Okay, then you do autofill. The same thing, let's copy the grid, and you paste it here. Yeah, the only thing, you change it to 3. Now let's go and do the correction for the remarks under is highly proficient. So do that correction. Highly proficient. That's good. Now what we intend to do is we are going to format the whole of here from total score to here. We are going to give the same color. Okay. So go to home. I'll give this same color. Okay. Now you can format the whole of here. Okay. Select the whole of here and select down. Yeah, you format it. So we'll pause over here and we'll continue. We'll do for all the subjects. Okay. Thank you very much.